In this session, I'm going to install Oracle 11g application. Open Oracle 11g folder, then click on Setup. Wait for some time. Now click on Next. Accept the agreement, then click on Next. Click on Browser. Now select Folder for Install Application. Click on Next, then click on Yes if it asks. Now set password as an admin. Now click on Next. Click on Install. Wait for some time, it takes few minutes to complete setup. Now click on Finish.
Oracle 11g successfully installed. Now open Sql Developer folder. Click on Sql Developer application. This is our work area. In this we need to set up SYS database. Now click on green plus icon, then enter name of database is SYS and username also same, enter password as a admin. Now click on a test, we will get result a success, then click on connect. Now enter password admin. Worksheet is opened.